Kitchen fires happen fast and they are terrifying. I wanted to see if these fire blankets actually work or if they are just gimmicks. So I picked up the 5 most popular ones on the market, from the big name brands to the budget options, to see which one deserves a spot in your kitchen cabinet. Let's get into it. Product number 1, Prepared Hero Emergency Fire Blanket 4-pack. Let's start with the one you've probably seen ads for everywhere, the Prepared Hero. This is the 4-pack, which I honestly think makes the most sense because you shouldn't just have one in the kitchen, you need them in the garage and near the grill too. When I pulled the tabs, the deployment felt solid. The fiberglass doesn't feel cheap or shed shards everywhere, which is a huge relief compared to older blankets I've touched. I love that it covers liquid and grease fires without the absolute disaster that a standard fire extinguisher leaves behind. It's rated for over 1,000 degrees so it can handle serious heat. It's straightforward, easy to deploy, and because it never expires, you just hang it and forget it until you need it. If you want to outfit the whole house at once with a trusted name, this is the reliable pick. Product number 2, Prepared Hero Emergency Fire Blanket 1-pack. Now, if you live in a smaller apartment or just want to try this out without committing to a bulk buy, look at the single Prepared Hero pack. It's the exact same quality as the previous one, same 40 by 40 inch size, same easy tab deployment system. Holding the pouch, it's compact enough to slide into a crowded drawer, though I always recommend hanging it on the wall using that little grommet hole so it's visible. The peace of mind here is key. I've handled generic ones that feel flimsy, but this feels like it can actually smother a grease fire instantly. It meets all the necessary safety standards, so you aren't gambling with safety. It's a bit pricier per unit than the 4-pack, but if you just need one high-quality blanket for your main cooking area, this is the one to grab. Product number 3, Fire Blanket for Home and Kitchen 4-pack. Moving on to this generic 4-pack option. Immediately, you'll notice the price difference compared to the big brands. When I pulled these out of their bright red pouches, the fiberglass texture felt pretty similar to the more expensive ones. They are still 40 by 40 inches, which is plenty to cover a standard stovetop pan. The pouches are really visible, which matters in a panic. I like that you get 4 of them, so you can literally toss one in the car and one by the campfire. They claim to handle liquid and grease fires just fine. The only downside is the tabs didn't feel quite as reinforced as the premium ones, but they still deployed without snagging. If you are on a tight budget but still want safety gear for every room in the house, this is the smart value play. Product number 4, Mart Cobra Emergency Fire Blanket. Then I checked out the Mart Cobra. These guys lean heavily into the quality aspect. They mention it's designed in Texas and you can actually feel a slight difference in the fabric weight. It uses 430 plus GSM fiberglass, meaning it's a bit thicker and denser than the super cheap options. Pulling the black tabs felt smooth and the blanket unfolded quickly. It's got that CE certification, and it's rated for temperatures up to 1076 degrees Fahrenheit. It's marketed as a no-mess alternative to extinguishers, and honestly the fabric quality gives me a bit more confidence that it won't burn through if the fire gets intense. It feels like a serious tool, not a cheap knockoff. If you care about fabric density and want something that feels a bit more heavy-duty, check out the Mart Cobra. Product number 5, Mondashop Fire Blankets. Finally, I looked at the Mondashop Fire Blanket. This one caught my eye because they explicitly mention it's reusable. You can wipe it clean with a dry cloth after use, assuming the damage isn't too bad. I wouldn't recommend washing it though, as that ruins the fiberglass. It's lightweight and folds back up easily if you're just practicing with it. The heat resistance is right up there at 1022 degrees. It's versatile enough for electrical fires or even using as a heat shield if you need to escape a room. The pouch is standard, but the blanket itself does the job of cutting off oxygen effectively. It's a great economical choice that covers all the bases, kitchen, grill, or camping. If you want a solid all-rounder that won't break the bank, this is a good one to end on. Hopefully, this helps you pick the right one for your home. Honestly, having any of these is better than having nothing when a grease fire starts. I've dropped links to all 5 in the description below so you can check the current prices. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one.